Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Nourishing Extract in Monster Hunter World. This item is talked about a lot before because it is annoying to farm early and blocks several important upgrades. In low rank and high rank, Nourishing Extract comes from two monsters, Odogaron and Paulumu. Odogaron with a 16% quest reward rate, and Paulumu with a 12% rate. If you decide to hunt, Odogaron is the better option. Break as many monster parts as possible and always capture instead of killing. This increases your total reward rolls and saves time per hunt. And that's how to get Nourishing Extract in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.